Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Canva with Pinterest, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Canva with Pinterest, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Canva website and log into your account. Once logged in, look for the Create a Design button on the home page. Click on it to open the design dashboard. Next, design your graphic or choose an existing design to share. After finalizing your design, click on the Share button located at the top right corner. In the sharing options, find and select the More option. Scroll down and look for Pinterest in the list of available integrations. Click on Pinterest. You will be prompted to log into your Pinterest account if you aren't already logged in. Enter your Pinterest credentials and authorize Canva to connect with your account. Once authorized, you will see an option to choose a board where you want to pin your design. Select the appropriate board for your design. Add any description you wish to include with your Pinterest pin. After you have filled in the necessary details, click on the Post button to upload your design to Pinterest. Finally, navigate to your Pinterest profile to ensure your design is successfully pinned. That's how you connect Canva with Pinterest and share your designs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.